Hi teacher, I'm to record about my best her likes and dislikes. My best friend name is Neri. She is 41 years old. She is a housewife and she is very funny. She likes to eat fruits and vegetables. She likes the flowers. She doesn't like to eat fish. She likes the flowers. She doesn't like to eat fish. When she was a child, she liked to collect dolls and teddy bears. She didn't like to watch movies. When she was a teenager, she liked to listen to vallenato music. She didn't like to dance rock and roll music. Now she's married and she has 2 children. Now she can cook very well and she can ride a motorcycle. She can't drive a car. Thank you very much.